Hello, my name is Carlos, and today we're going to talk about the column destillations. So let's start it. The concepts of this presentation include an introduction objective, talking about distillation column, how does it work, the types of columns, some questions and conclusions about the concept. So let's start it. The distillation columns represent one of the most critical unit operations in an engineered process, specifically designed to separate liquid mixtures into their individual components, based on different interrelative volatilities. By applying heat and ensuring continuous contact between the vapor and liquid phases across trays or packing, these structures enable the attainment of products with high purity levels. Their versatility and efficiency make them the core fundamental industries, ranging from oil refining and petrochemical to beverage productions and purification of specialty chemicals. The objective of this presentation is learn about distillation columns, how it works, and the importance on industries and in the chemical engineering. The distillation columns are important because some distillations is one of the most common liquid vapor separation process in the industry. It can be carried out in a continuous or batch system. There's too many types of distillations like the reactive distillation columns, which combine reactions and separations of products into a single unit. And how does it work? Well, we start with a feed. The mixture enters in an intermediate point in the column, known as the feed rate, dividing the equipment into two sections. Then we got the evaporation and bottoms. At the base, a reboiler applies heat to vaporize part of the mixture. The resulting vapor begins to rise through the column. Then there are flux, overhead vapor. It's cooled in a condenser, part is removed as product and the rest is returned as reflux to maintain the separation process. The type of columns. There's too many types of columns that are made specifically with the different type of products that we need. For example, the packet beds. The packet beds is a hollow vessel, usually a column, filled with packing material designed to maximize the contact between two phases. The function is principal to facilitate mass and heat transfer by providing a large surface area for liquid and gas to interact. There's many types of random packet like consist in small pieces like rashing rings or saddles, and then the structure packing. These are metal meshes or sheets organized in a precise geometry. The plates of the type of columns in this case are vertical columns where separation takes place in a series of transverse stages or plates mounted on one above the other. The function consists in liquid flows across the plate and drops to the next one through a downcomer, while vapor bubbles up through the holes in the plate. There's too many types of plates that is important to any type of separation like alcohol, petroleum, or any other liquid that we need to separate. So we got the three principles like sieve traits. This is the simplest type. They consist of metal sheets with circular holes through which the vapor rises. The bowl trays, the filter liftable caps over the holes that open or close based on vapor flow. And the bubble cap trays. They use chimneys covered with a cap that force vapor to bubble through the liquid, even at low flow rates. We got some questions about the sentence, about the team. What is the distillation columns? What is the purpose of the heating the process? Which part of the column cools the vapor? And as you can see, you can answer it in your notebooks. In conclusions, we can say that A distillation tower starts with essential components within process engineering, enabling the production of high-purity substance through the rigorous control of the vapor leaking equilibrium. The strategic selection between the plate or packet beds designed detected by critical technical variables, such as pressure drop, operating volume, and the chemical properties of the components involved. The proper design of these units not only ensures the excellence of the final product, but also guarantees operational safety and the sustainability of contemporary industrial process. This is the vocabulary about the sentence and the reference that we use. Thank you so much to see my video. Goodbye.